Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hoop Money here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about Lightning eMotors and Forest River. They just reached a deal, $850 million deal for Class 4 and Class 5 electric shuttle buses. So these electric shuttle buses are already in production, and based off this news, the stock jumped about 50% on the day, so that's why I am covering this, so you guys know what is going on. Also, a lot of people here on this channel are big Workhorse apes. So Lightning eMotors is actually a direct competitor with Workhorse in the fact that they make similar types of vehicles. So I figured that it would be in the best interest of the people here on my channel to learn a bit about the competitors of Workhorse, as well as just learn about the whole commercial electric vehicle market space as well. So if you guys enjoy these videos and you want to learn more about some of the companies that we talk about in this video, definitely join that Discord using that link below in the description in the pinned comments section, alongside the link to sign up for public, where you get up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1. The links are below in the description or in the pinned comment section. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So here's the headline. Lightning eMotors and Forest River Incorporated reached multi-year agreement for up to $850 million in zero-emissions bus technology, plus charging products and services. So we're going to take a look at some of the key points of this article. Lightning and Forest River, a Berkshire Hathaway company. So that is Warren Buffett's company. They own Forest River. They're also the largest shuttle bus manufacturer in North America, and they entered into a strategic partnership with Lightning eMotors. Lightning is to deliver up to 7,500 zero-emission Class 4 and 5 buses across the US and Canada between 2021 and 2025. Lightning to provide a fully electric powertrain, charging products, and other electric vehicle services, which, guys, that's no small task. So just to get a quick idea of what Lightning eMotors is as a company, and we're going to be going over their investor presentation later, they do these electric vehicles, some of these larger commercial electric vehicles like this electric passenger van, the electric cargo van, the electric trucks, the electric city bus. So you guys are starting to get the idea. They are a direct competitor with Workhorse, and they even mentioned Workhorse in their investor presentation, and they are also cheaper valued than Workhorse at only a $500 million market cap compared to Workhorse, which is about for $1.6 billion in market cap. So it is definitely a competitor with Workhorse, and it is cheaper valued. So you have to take those into consideration. And they are also claiming to have a higher addressable market than Workhorse. So they are definitely going to try to give Workhorse a run for its money. And if we take a look at Forest River, you guys can see what type of company they are. They have recreational vehicles, RVs, different types of boats. And here we have their commercial trucks, shuttle buses, which was what this deal was all about, and other things like cargo trailers as well. And as you guys can see here on their Wikipedia page, they are in fact a parent company, their parent company is in fact Berkshire Hathaway, so that is Warren Buffett's company, and that's been since 2005. Forest River's sales volumes allow us to provide a price point to their dealers and customers that results in a very compelling ROI. We believe that this commitment from the largest shuttle bus manufacturer in the United States demonstrates that they believe the commercial vehicle customers are now demanding Lightning eMotors zero-emission electric vehicles over ICE vehicles. The vehicles that they will co-produce are Class 4 and 5 shuttle buses with gross weight ranging from 14,500 to 19,500 pounds. The buses feature battery configurations from 80 kilowatt hours to no more than 160 kilowatt hours. They have ranges on a single charge of about 80 to 160 miles and recharge using the Lightning eMotors DC fast charge infrastructure. So a statement from Forest River: we decided to work with Lightning eMotors after several years of extensive research because of their market and and technology leadership in the commercial EV segment. If you want up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing as little as $1, use the links below in the description or in the pinned comment section to sign up for Public. Public is a very easy to use, great user interface stock brokerage on your phone, iOS and Android. It's also a social media, and they also don't do any payment for order flow. So it's kind of like Twitter and Robinhood combined, but they're not going to be selling your trading data. They're not going to be routing your orders to Citadel or some other exchange that pays them the most money. You're going to get best execution for your trades, and for that reason, I absolutely love Public as a company and a stock investing brokerage. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. If you use the link in the description or in the pinned comment section, you get up to $70 in free stock as long as you deposit at least $1. So it's basically free money. Check that out using the links below, and let's get right back into the video. So you guys can see here in their investor presentation, they're addressing almost the entire commercial electric vehicle market, and they're basically stating above class 3 and up, those are the vehicles that they will be able to produce. And in this case, they are going to be producing class 4 and 5 shuttles. So not only do they produce all of these electric vehicles, they also have detailed analytics, and they have their own lightning energy charging network that they call charging as a service. Now, they're not first to the market with charging as a service, and ChargePoint actually introduced this before them. Now, if we just take a look at what their stock has been doing today, they're at $10.24 per share. I'm not going to tell you guys to buy this stock today, and this is just because if you see, they're up 61% in the last week. They were trading at $6.63 just a few days ago. I do think that there will be a slight correction before this thing continues to go up, but I wanted to show you guys this. So they're still up 2% in the past year, but in January they saw a peak at $16 per share, which means that there's definitely plenty of upside in this stock in the future, even at the current price levels. But I do think that you can definitely get this, at least in the short term, at a much cheaper price, maybe $7 to $8 per share. And if we just do daily candlestick technical analysis on this, you can see the RSI right here is at 76, which means that it's overbought, which means that it'll probably likely at least come down, or the price will settle down in the future. Again, when something's up 60% on the day, you should definitely look for a pullback before getting into a stock like this. But you can definitely also see with this MACD that the MACD, it doesn't make it seem like it's overbought. It actually makes it seem like it's about to go into a bit of a bull run. As you guys can see, the MACD has gone up to almost the 1 region, and it's at about a 0 right now. So we can definitely see this one enter into a bull market, but I do think there will be a small pullback. And then again, you guys look at this volume that was traded today compared to the rest of the year. It's absolutely blowing it out of the water. So again, definitely wait for a small pullback. I do think this is a good company that addresses a very large market, and having a deal with Warren Buffett is always a great thing. Warren Buffett is one of the best investors. Berkshire Hathaway, although it has not performed as good as the S&P 500 over the past 20 years, it has a great track record in history, and you really can't count out Berkshire Hathaway, as they typically do make intelligent investments. All in all, I do really like Lightning eMotors from a fundamental standpoint, and the fact that they have an $850 million deal with Forest River, which is a Berkshire Hathaway company, shows that they are a relatively safe play. I'm not going to recommend to buy this thing when it's up 60% on the day. For it to continue this trend without at least a small pullback is highly unlikely, and I definitely think that you can get this thing for about $8.50 per share. I'm not currently going to be buying this company, especially at this current price level. I will be looking for a pullback, and I will be paying attention to this company a lot more, as it is a direct competitor with Workhorse. So we will be seeing what has to come in the future, and it's nice to see that there is competition in this EV space, as competition is the fuel for innovation. So I'm excited for the future in the commercial electric vehicle space, and that's about it for the video. If you guys wanted to join that Discord, the links are below, as well as the link to sign up for Public, where you get up to $70 in free stock as long as you deposit $1. So it is basically free money, and with that, that's about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Peace.